We have reached the foothill of Mount Matang, starting our 3 kilometers hike up to the temple with a rich Sarawak history. We came to a small temple just after a few minutes walk. I was told that this is a new addition to the place and not part of the original temple. Toilet break, anyone? It was a beautiful day with awesome weather as we continued into the jungle. We have reached a clearing. You can see beautiful views behind me, and another, I think about 1.5 kilometers away to reach the temple. Next, we came to another small temple which clearly had some Chinese influence. I read somewhere that a Chinese businessman donated quite a sum as a token of appreciation after he became prosperous visiting this area. We are trying to find our way to the Raja Sir Charles Brooks bungalow. The other way is going to the temple actually, but we're going this way up first. We're going to look for the bungalow first and see what we can find. The walk into the forest to search for the bungalow was a short one. We couldn't really locate it as we stumbled upon what seemed like a dead end. We turned back and noticed a section of stacked stones that could have been the foundation of the said bungalow. So we have reached the temple. This is Sri Maha Mariamman temple, the Mount Matang. So the entrance is here. It's quite a grand entrance actually. It's quite a long steps up to the temple. So before that we need to take off our shoes first, in sign of respect. So this way we take off our shoes, put here on the rack, and let's go check out the temple. Here I am at the entrance of the temple. So this way the devotees enter here, they pray. And now I'm moving towards the back part of the temple just to see what is around here.